Namaste, this is Rivka Tamang from grade 8.
And I am Anushka Burathaki from grade 8, your host for Bodhisattva Monthly News of Mongsir.
Now let's take a look at news headlines. Bodhisattva Dancing Idol events held on Mongsir 5th. Inspiring seminar on entrepreneurship in Nepal with Chandra Koirala on Mongsir 10th.
Inter-house quiz competition sparks excitement on Mongsir 14. Grade 9 students showcase local creativity at Utpala Cafe Saturday markets on Mongsir 16.
Inspiring visit to National Innovation Center on Mongsir 17. Financial Literacy Seminar educates students on Mongsir 18.
First aid seminar held at school on Mongsir 19. Practical learning experience at BIA Cafe on Mongsir 24.
Bodhisattva Singing Idols competition takes place on Mongsir 25th. Selected students of grade 5 along with primary in charge math teacher participate in first national conference on mathematics on Mongsir 26.
Pre-qualifying exam for SE Preparation 2081 held on Mongsir 27. First, Mini Market and Karkhana Science Day brings innovation and fun on Mongsir 29.
Let's move to news in detail.
On Mongsir 5, the Bodhisattva Dancing Idol competition was 22 finalists battled it out after 2 intense rounds of audition. With amazing performance, the competition was judged by Pradeep Shrestha, dance director at Agan Dance Studio. All finalists received certificates and medals, with the top 3 dancers earning a special gift. A big thank you to Pradeep Shrestha for this fair and expert judging. The event showcased the incredible talent and passion of the students. As a part of Project-Based Learning Week 3.0 under the theme Business Entrepreneurship, we hosted an insightful seminar on entrepreneurship in Nepal on Mongsir 10 with Mr. Sanjay Koirala, founder of Ideapreneur Nepal. The session offered valuable insight on starting and growing business in Nepal, inspiring students to think creatively and take bold steps toward their entrepreneurial goals. Key takeaways included the importance of passion, importance of work, building skill, and finding opportunities in every problem. A special thank you to Mr. Koirala for sharing his expertise and motivating the next generation of entrepreneurs.
On Mongsir 14, Bodhisattva organized an exciting inter-house competitions divided into 2 sessions. The juniors completed before lunch while the seniors faced off after. Selected students were given quiz materials to prepare ahead of time, and the competition was fierce with every house showing strong preparations. The events was huge success, with each team battling it out in a thrilling contest of knowledge and teamwork. On Saturday, Mongsir 15, our grade 9 students along with their teacher visited the Brigade Saturday market at Utpala Cafe, Bauda, as a part of Project-Based Learning 3.0 under the theme Business Entrepreneurship. The field study offered students a unique opportunity to explore locally crafted products, understand their product processes, and gain insights into the dynamic of the current marketplace. This hands experience ensured to inspire their entrepreneurial projects. A big thank you to Utpala Cafe for providing such a wonderful platform, connecting study with the creativity of local vendors and supporting the growth of small business. Your initiative helps nurture dreams and fuels the spirit of entrepreneurship. Grade 9 students recently visited the National Innovation Center at Tribhuvan University, Kirtipur as the as part of Project Based Learning 3.0 on Business Entrepreneurship on Mongsir 17. The center provided invaluable insights into innovations, research, and technology, inspiring our students to think creatively and entrepreneurially, empowering creativity and turning ideas into products, advising Nepal's economy through research and innovations, impacting lives with affordable machinery for disadvantaged area are the main key highlights of the day. A heartfelt thanks to the center's team and Dr. Mahavir Pun, whose visions continues to inspire change and progress in Nepal. Siddhartha Bank delivered an engaging seminar on financial deterrence for our grade 9 and 10 students on Mongsir 18. The sessions offered invaluable insights into the world of finance, perfectly complementing our project-based learning 3.0 theme on business entrepreneurship. The session covered key topics such as types of banks, their rules, and importance of digital banking with an interactive questions and answer on account subject.
On Mongsir 19, Dr. Prabal Pradhan and his team from Subeksha International Hospital hosted an insightful first aid in school seminar. School learned essential life-saving skills including the 3 P's of first aid and the DRSABC steps for emergencies, life-saving tips and remedies for common emergencies, how to apply PRIC for injuries, burn-related first aid, and practical do's and don'ts, and engaging question and answer session with students were the key highlights of the event. On Mongsir 24, the grade 8 students had exciting hands-on session on bakery and entrepreneurship with the skill team from BIA Cafe. The experience allowed students to explore the art of baking while learning about running a cafe business. A huge thank you to the BIA Cafe team for inspiring our students and fostering their entrepreneurial spirit.
On Mongsir 25th, Bodhisattva School hosted its much anticipated Bodhisattva Singing Idol competitions. After 2 intense rounds of auditions, 25th finalists were selected to showcase their vocal talent. The event was judged by the esteemed Resma Bomjam, a renowned singer who provided valuable feedback and guidance to the participants. Throughout the competitions, the finalists delivered impressive performance, captivating the audience with their passions and skills. At the end of the event, all finalists were awarded certificates and medals in recognition of their hard work and dedication. Our grade 5 students and primary math teacher participated in first national conference on ethno-mathematics at NCIT Patan on Mongsir 23rd and 24th. They presented a poster on a time estimations and conversion at Ichangu Narayan Temple, showcasing how mathematical concepts and abandoned in cultural heritage. The presentations received positive feedback from attendees.
Our grade 10 students have taken their pre-qualifying exam for SCE 2081 held on Mongsir 27. The exam, conducted by PEPSA Nepal, is an important step in their preparation journey. Our students successfully hosted the first mini market and Karkhana Science Day celebration 2081 on Mongsir 29, blending entrepreneurship with innovation for a great cause. Students showcased and sold handmade products, stepping into the role of entrepreneurs for the first time. Students also demonstrated practical science models, sharing their problem-solving skill and creativity. The proceeds from each product sold at the mini market were donated at the National Innovation Center, supporting innovation and development. A huge thank you to the parents, guests, and community members for their active participation, which truly inspired our students. Special thanks to Karkhana Kid Nepal for coordinating the event and to our dedicated staff and students for their hard work. That's all for today. See you next month for more updates on Bodhisattva School's excitement journey. Till then, let us live with the life motto of our chairman: help others, life is beautiful. Have a great day.